Numerous antioxidants are found in garlic. Therefore, one of its main cooking ingredients is beneficial for our health. One of its functions is for keeping our heart healthy. Based on the research, raw garlic performs better for our healthy heart than dried garlic. Garlic is extremely nutritious. The nutrient contents in 1 ounce of garlic are manganese, 23% of the RDA; vitamin B6, 17% of the RDA; vitamin C, 15% of the RDA; selenium, 6% of the RDA; fiber, 1 gram; calorie, 42 gram; protein, 8 grams; carbohydrate, 9 grams. 5 main benefits of garlic for healthy heart. 1. Reducing blood pressure. The study that is published in the scientific journal Nutritious shows that taking 4 capsules of garlic extract 960 milligrams for 3 months can reduce the blood pressure of 50 people with uncontrollable blood pressure. Garlic can lower our blood triglycerides and cholesterol, even though the reduction is only 5 to 15%. Triglycerides and cholesterol are dangerous for blood flow. Garlic protects blood cell and blood vessel from inflammation and oxidative stress. The damage of blood vessel and oxygen molecule are the key to increase the risk of cardiovascular problem, especially chronic degenerative cardiovascular, such as atherosclerosis. Garlic can magically lowering blood pressure. Angiotensin II is a protein that helps the contraction of blood vessels so that it increase blood pressure. Allicin in garlic can block the activity of angiotensin II. Thus, it reduces blood pressure. The content of polar sulfide in garlic is changed into gas by red blood cells that is called hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide makes blood vessel bigger and helps to control blood pressure. 2. Reducing the platelet conglomeration. Substances found in garlic help to reduce platelet conglomeration. The constant platelet conglomeration causes stroke or heart attack. Platelet is a type of blood cell that has closely connection with blood clotting. When platelets stick together, its possibility to form unhealthy blood clots is high, which eventually makes the blood flow slow. Platelet conglomeration causes variety of cardiovascular conditions, such as heart attack and angina. Garlic acts as natural blood diluent. 3. Cardioprotective. Sulfur in garlic is called polysulfides. It is used to produce H2S. H2S can stretch blood pressure and keep it low. Read benefits of garlic for weight loss. 4. Cardiovascular. Garlic brings significant impact for cardiovascular disease. People who eat garlic as their diet experience their blood pressure, triglycerides and LDL bad cholesterol low. The main key of garlic to relieve cardiovascular disease comes from its sulfur compounds. However, its vitamin C, B6, selenium and manganese can't be ignored because vitamin C in garlic acts as a primary antioxidant defender for our body. It protects LDL cholesterol from oxidation. The LDL cholesterol oxidation is the starting process to break blood vessel walls. Vitamin B6 lowers the homocysteine level. It is a substance that can directly damage blood vessel walls. The selenium in garlic is beneficial to counter heart disease. Manganese acts perfectly well as an antioxidant defense. 5. Protecting heart. Garlic protects our heart from heart attack and atherosclerosis. If our heart is well protected, it will give us a lot of contribution. Our artery will lose its stretchability as we grow old. Garlic prevents this to happen. It also protects our heart from the effect of free radical. The sulfur in garlic prevents the blockage of blood vessel and slow down the atherosclerosis. Liver also need garlic. Health benefits of garlic to the liver could prevent some liver diseases. The recipes of garlic for our heart. 1. Garlic juice without water. Choose big garlics. Peel them. Juice them until it produces garlic liquid. Drink it routinely without adding water in the garlic juice. 2. Garlic juice. With honey, 2 ounces of garlic, blend them with a glass of water. 2 ounces of red ginger, blend them with a glass of water. 4 to 5 slices of green apple, blend them with a glass of water. 5 to 6 of lemon. Squeeze them until they become 1 glass. How to make and drinking rules: mix them together and heat the potion with a small fire for 1/2 hour. Let it cool and strain the potion. Add it with a bottle of pure honey. Drink 1 to 2 tablespoons before breakfast. 3. Garlic juice with apple vinegar. 2 ounces of garlic, juice them until it produces garlic liquid, add no water. 2 ounces of ginger, juice them until it produces ginger liquid, add no water. Let the juice for 1 night. The next morning separate the dregs from the liquid. 5 to 6 of lemon. Peel them and squeeze them. Add no water, apple vinegar, natural honey. How to make and drinking rules. After garlic, ginger, and lemon are ready and have been kept in a refrigerator, prepare apple vinegar. Mix them all together into a stainless pan. Do not use aluminum pan. Let it cold. Add a natural honey. Mix them well again. Put them into a bottle glass made and keep them in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. Drink 1 to 2 tablespoons every morning before breakfast. Mix it with warm water. Keep the juice again in the refrigerator. Apart from its beneficial effects, consuming garlic also brings certain problems. 13 side effects of raw garlic. Avoiding consuming garlic with another medicine. Several medicine will give significant reaction if they're consumed together with garlic. Those medicines are smelly flatus. Eating raw garlic will make the smell of your flatus stronger and more smelly than usual. Skin irritation. Expectant mothers and breastfeeding mothers who consume garlic are potential to have skin problem. Massive bleeding. The garlic contents can cause massive bleeding. If you eat garlic before a medical surgery, you will experience massive bleeding. Moreover, it can make your condition worse. Triggering diarrhea. Another digestive tract because of consuming raw garlic is diarrhea. This is because there is a disturbance in our digestive tract and unsuitable food intake. Disturbing digestive tract. Raw garlic can disturb our digestive tract. One of the side effects is the irritation in our gastrointestinal. Triggering allergy reaction. The common sign of garlic allergy reaction is skin rash. Moreover, the area around our face and mouth swollen. In the worst case, people who are allergic to garlic say that their tongue and lips swollen as if they have been beaten. However, the worst disruption comes to our respiratory. For people who are allergic to garlic will be difficult to breathe. Strong sweat odor. The allicin substance in garlic will bring such a strong odor not only in our mouth but also in our sweat once it breaks. Therefore, people who eat garlic will be easily known by their body smell. Strong mouth odor. Strong smell of garlic can be directly smelled as soon as we eat it. However, brushing teeth after consuming garlic will get rid of the smell quickly. But, several hours later, your sweat will accrete. Triggering heat in our mouth. Eating raw garlic will trigger heat in our mouth. It is because we chew the allicin substance in garlic. If we do not want to taste the allicin, we simply swallow the garlic so we won't taste the heat. Isoniazid pregnancy-controlled pills. Blood diluent drug. Medicines for HIV or AIDS. The anti-inflammatory drug. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Coagulants. Garlic has its coagulants trait so it can dilute blood. This can cause massive bleeding. Damage our gastrointestinal. Raw garlic can perform at its best in our gastrointestinal during our unhealthy condition. Therefore, we should be aware that garlic, despite its marvelous functions, is not good for our gastrointestinal. Avoiding giving garlic to thrombocytopenia patients. Garlic is dangerous for thrombocytopenia patients since it will make the wound bleeding massively. Thrombocytopenia patients cannot do anything meaningful to their bleeding wound. The blood will still coming out through the wound because the substance in blood that freezes it is not sufficient. Those are the side effects of consuming raw garlic, which hopefully educate people who want to consume raw garlic. Despite their benefits, garlic brings side effects that we should be aware of.